Look on the snow. This is how much inch of snow. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Trusting that all is well. So yes, right now I'm on my way to work. I have a 1 to 5 shift. Actually, I do prefer these shifts because I honestly think I have some attention span problem. I don't like work more than 4. Ever since teaching is that I can't focus on a long shift. You know, some people work 9 to 5 or 8-hour, 9-hour shift. It's so difficult for me. It's like I just count down the time. I don't know if I because I don't really find something where I love that much, but ever since I teach, my attention span just low. You know, because usually while teaching, even though it's a 7:30 to like 2:30 thing, I had a lot of breaks, and my class was like 1 hour long, and then a break, and then a next 1 hour class. But even if I had back-to-back classes, I still had my break. So it's not a case where I was working 8 hours straight with just one break or whatever. Anyway, just saying that I prefer shorter shifts, and I don't like when things are strict. I like flexibility. So you know, like 7:30 to 2:30, I don't like that. I never used to like it. I prefer shift where some days I work 7, some days I work 10. You know, different time. So yeah, that's just a little something. Anywho, it's a bit cold outside, so I'll catch up with y'all later. This guys, this is my break. As you can see, they changed our aprons. Girl and her puppy. So yeah, they changed aprons, and so yeah, this is a short break, and you know, as usual, I'm just catching up with y'all. So yeah, this is the little walkie-talkie thing that I was telling you about. Yeah, this is the little walkie-talkie thing that we use to communicate with each other on the floor. So yep, I will see y'all later. Bye. Guys, guess what? I am late this morning just because I came out, put on my shoes because I ordered a autumn boot, you know, regular boot, high-up boot, and the boot not reach it. So I say, alright, I'm going to risk it. I'm coming out. What time the bus will come?
7 minutes.
In 7 minutes? So I say, I'm going to risk it and just wear my sneakers go work. Look on the snow. This is how much inch of snow. So when I come out, that's not really the problem because I bring one socks for in case it wet up my shoes. Yeah, so that was not the issue. So when me come out now, guys, and I walk, I only feel the ground a slide. The ground a slide. I don't know what I mean. So, anyway, me say I'm not walking at this because me not go drop a ground for nothing. So I turn back now. The only thing I have for the snow is my winter boot. But look at my winter boot. So this is my winter boot, which means it's very winter. And me I said that not gonna look good and it not gonna feel good for when I go inside because I work indoors. So you know my foot I go boil up. So anyway, when I come out, it feel good in the snow. It's just uncomfortable for walking because you know you have to fling your foot. It's not heavy, but it just feel uncomfortable. And it a manage the snow, it a chop the snow, it a go down in the snow, and nothing a go down in my shoes. But I walk with my work boots anyway, which me I go change when I reach at work. But yeah, guys, late, missed the bus just because of that. Anyway, just gonna show y'all around the place. Yep, so catch y'all later. Finally find somebody with a line up with fellow Jamaican. Guys, my ears are killing me. Come on, normal, and walk good. And go about my business, go into the barber shop. And then when I come back, I just feel like my ears crisp, like stiff, can't bend. Open that ear, my good. You know what? I'll wait till I get off the bus. Hi guys, I just reached home. I was trying to tell you something on the bus, but it was just too noisy. Anyway, we went to the barber shop today and just reached home. He finally got his hair cut. Usually I cut his hair, like him go to the barber, and like the following week I cut him here. But from one day I just can't bother. So it grew up. Plus I know I'm gonna need the hair to keep him warm, I guess. So him here today and it grew up. So I'm say, alright then, since I can't catch it from that stage, I'm gonna pay for get a haircut and then I start grooming it back. So we went to the barber shop. The barber did a really good job. And he was so patient. We were late and he never really go on pan with like the first barber. But we never cut him hair good and charge you how much money. So yeah, I end up just give him a tip. I felt generous today. Yeah, because him customer service did good and I am very big on customer service. So I say, yeah, give a fellow Jamaican a tip. That not bad. So he got a tip. In better not look out for it regular because I don't got it. So yes guys, we went on the road, we did that. We came back home. I'm feeling so sick from being on the road, from being in the snow, and yes, because I have to walk DNT on the ice. It's like my body set in a one position. You know, like when people back bend and them it's like them freezing at a position there, so them is like them organ, like them bones start hurt them. So I just feel sick. So I'm come get some ginger tea. Finally found a ginger tea bag. I'm gonna make some tea and I think I'm gonna rest and then I am going to do some schoolwork because I've been so busy, like super busy. I have 2 assignments due in the same time. I'm supposed to, based on my planning, I want to finish one this week and then finish the other one next week to the following week, so that in December I don't have any schoolwork doing or anything due at the last moment. And trust me, them are 2 hard assignments, so we really have to start now and get at it. So I have been so busy. If you see me not reply to the message in time or anything like that, you have to just stay with me because, you know, we have to take care of the more important things first. So that's just a little update, guys. I never shown up on the road today because it was such a mess. And I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to see if I can show you a clip from my room. So yeah, this is what's up. So yes guys, the ice is when it stays up on the floor. Like if you look at the wheel right there, so the Jeep, the van here, you can see the ice itself and not necessarily like snow, but like ice. My nearly dropped to the on it. People, trust me, it's so dangerous. But anyway guys, I will talk to y'all later. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hi guys. So I'm waiting for my bus to go to work. The place is very foggy. Yeah, very foggy. Very bleaky, very depressing. And it's just the beginning. Can you imagine? Anyway, I beat my little cane room. I could have put on my wig. Just a bit my little cane round. Hopefully one of them girls will see me and give me a little roast, you know? Yeah. So yeah, I'm a bit tired because this morning I woke up 4:30. Your alarm go off like fire. So me I say, hold on there, what is? So when I look, bust the door, make sure I grab my passport, you know, and my jacket, cause everything else can stay. So when I go outside now in the hallway, them say, the guy say it's not a fire, it's not a fire. I feel sorry for him, say. He was like, it's not a fire, you can go and check in my room, you can go and check in my room. So anyway, I tell him to open the door of the passage because that's the only way the alarm will stop, I think. So I help him catch the door, and one lady I run out and I carry on. That my worst of feel sorry for him. So him tell him girlfriend for catch the next side of the door because there are two entrance. So I catch one side, him tell him girlfriend for catch the other side so the smoke can come out. They one length of time till him call maintenance, and he look like them tell him what to do. Me see him there with screwdriver. I pull down the alarm till about 30 minutes after that. My ear, cause him did I press the button, so you know when he release the button it's gonna make noise. So my ear like one little ding, and then long after that no, I not hear nothing. Come out a while ago for work, and it was okay. So you know from my work, from my wait them hours, then I go back to sleep, and I'm not off until 6. Oh, I hate those long hours. I don't know how to do it. Oh, when I work one 8-hour shift, man. Remember when I used to work at call center and I used to work 9 hours a day. I'm nearly mad. But at least with the call center, I sit down and I could talk and all of them. So, over here, so, worse than slavery. You can't talk to nobody. You can't do no, and I like say I go, I'm not say if you sit down for the people them job and talk, you know. But like if somebody asks you something, them assume say yeah like fractal and I go dry you up like you're pick me. I don't like it. I don't like it. And then after you work such a long hours, 30 minutes break. What is a 30 minutes break? I could have never do this full time. You're mad? Stand up on my foot. Can't lean up, can't do nothing. Can't even, you know, when I get a look at one break, I would lean for your little hip so and catch so. When them see I do that, brother, them call you and find things give. Pull the candles forward. Replan this, do that. It's annoying, but it's a put food for my table, so I'm not to complain. I have to go and do what you have to do, till, you know. But this is just not for me. That's why I must like, comment, share, and subscribe so I can go to YouTube full time. So now if I do them something, I can be my own boss. Give me some boss ideas, some things that I can do in Canada to make money. Yeah, anyway guys, my day I wait for the bus about 10 minutes now before it, about 10 minutes before it come. So when I reach work, I forgot to buy something to eat because my stomach feel one way. So maybe I will hit you up. If not, I will see you later or tomorrow. Guys, I forgot to show you the roadside that it's not that bad today. It snowed last night, but because it rained early this morning, I don't know if that kind of wash with some of the snow or what, but I was able to manage coming out to the bus stop alone. The other days my husband follow me because I'm afraid to drop. I'm almost dropped 2 days ago on the snow, so him always follow me. Yeah, so it's actually not bad today. I canceled work tomorrow because they overscheduled me, so I was able to cancel one day. I really wanted to cancel the weekend, to be honest, because I did really want to stay home for my Saturday. But because a snowstorm is coming tomorrow, and I've never experienced one, so I was like, you know what? To be safe, let me just stay home tomorrow. Because I'm not gonna have nobody for follow me come at the bus stop tomorrow. And if it's a snowstorm, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I decided to take, well, him tell me to take tomorrow, and I'm gonna just work the weekend. So that's what I'm doing. So depending on how tomorrow go, next time I know say I have to cancel because a snowstorm is not that bad. But according to them, it brutal and it this and it that and it that. So but just gotta listen to what them say. And I know them can be extra sometimes. One little something and them blow it out of proportion. But as I say, I never experienced it yet, so I'm not go and let more and give me input. So yeah. Guys, that's the snowstorm I was telling you about. Why I didn't go to work today. The road is clear and now it is snowing. So you know, say the snow is gonna come and take over all the ground. How am I gonna go to work tomorrow? Anyway, it looked like it windy for true. Actually, at this time I would be inside still, so it probably wouldn't bother me that much. But what about tonight when I'm coming home? Or maybe the storm would have passed by then. Anyway, I'm not taking a check with it, because I don't want to blow away. The other day I go work and it was just a regular wind. And may I tell you people, I almost get blown. May I say if I light my lights are my hungry. So I'm glad I'm not in this. Look at that. The snow is just taking its little time packing on the ground. Wow.
A few moments later.
Guys, thank you all so much for watching. Keep safe, keep dry, keep warm. Bye.